I customized this car and I get the second prize on styling on this car. If you haven't seen the first video, please do that. I'll leave a link up here and in the description. We're going to check out some cars and do some restoring and other repairs. If someone of you have a pair of round lights to a Ford Escort Mark IV, it's not matter if they're broken or something, or only have one or something like that. I want to buy some lights that are the same lights that I had in the 90s. So please help me with that. This is how the original headlights looks. The underside is rounded and meet the bumper very well. As you can see, they're not following the lines for the fender. To the left you can see how the car looks now with the Moretti lights. When I got the car home, it had some damages here. And I have used it this summer, but I don't want to drive around with the paint falling off. So I just ordered some paint and have spray painted over, but didn't do any finish on it because I know I have to redo everything. You have the bumps still there and everything, so just repainted over everything. And the paint was peeling off from these vents too, so I have spray painted them too. But we have to do this on the correct way later, and you will see everything of that. Yes, I painted the lights too. Couldn't drive around like that. Let's look around and see what we need to do with this car. These cars has central locking to the front doors, but not to the trunk. I added central locking here, but now the central locking unit back here is missing, so I need one of those. And we have some rust over here. I think the number plates have touched here at some time. It's something with the clear coat here. And we have a bump. It would be nice to fix this bump without repainting everything. Can you see it? Everything looks so nice in this camera. This is a typical damage you get if you have a front collision and the fender is pulled back. When you open the driver door, you will touch the fender and peel off the paint. And some small things here. This rust will be easy to fix, and the finish on the skirt is not the best, and the skirt is in the wrong color. It should be the gray one that the car has. This door here, I don't looking forward to repair. I'm not sure the best way to do it, and I actually don't know what they have been doing. My guess is that they had it on the car lift with the door open, and one of the arms touched the door before the car was lifted. The roof is toast, and I actually have changed it once before because someone put a knife in it and tried to steal my stereo. And the rear bumper has small craculation in the gel coat, and it's in the wrong color too, and the clear coat is painted to lean. I don't know if the bubbles are in the clear coat or the undercoat. But the big thing is the rust over here. And we have some clear coat damage over here. It will be lots of work on this front bumper. We have gel coat damage, and I think they painted it with this lights on, I think. The fiberglass bracket needs to be reattached. And some more gel coat damage here. And it's some bad repairs over here. It's not the straight line anymore, so maybe we can do that better. I had like a black rubber gasket between the car and the skirt. I hope I can find something like that again. And you can see something up here too. Here you can see the light is not following the lines on the bumper. And the hood needs some work here. I just spray painted it earlier. And this fender needs some work too. And we have the same rust damage on this side. And some gel coat damage. Inside she looks really nice. At some point we will shift the camshaft on this one because it's a little bit noisy. It's no problem to drive the car, it's perfectly fine, but if you want to get it perfect. Please subscribe and get all your friends to subscribe too, because I need 1,000 subscribers to get promotion from YouTube. With some promotion from YouTube, I can maybe afford to do the repairs on these cars. So see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.